Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarita. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you my vitamin C serum that I have been using from past few months as a continuation to the previous video, which was about vitamin C and how to choose a vitamin C as per your skin type. So if you haven't checked my previous video, I have added the link below in my description box. Please do check out. So what we are waiting for, let's get started. The vitamin C that I've been using is from Wow Skin Science. It has 20% vitamin C in it. Hope you guys can see it clearly. This vitamin C serum I have picked up from the drugstore. When I picked it up, I made sure that I went through the ingredient list. But on Wow vitamin C serum, the problem is they mention only key ingredient. Key ingredient means they have mentioned only the main ingredient. They have not added all the ingredient that is there in the serum. But still I have went ahead and picked up because there is no silicone in it and there is no paraben and no mineral oil. So that's the reason why I have still went ahead and picked up this vitamin C serum. When I went through the ingredient list, the first ingredient itself, it says water, of course, and the second ingredient is another form of vitamin C, and the third ingredient is vitamin C as well. So there is two type of vitamin C in it. It has glycerin and it has witch hazel. Witch hazel is something that I have never tried on my skin before. I remember standing there at the drugstore and doing my own research, and it had a pretty good benefit on the skin. So I thought, why not go ahead and try with this. So witch hazel reduces any kind of redness, inflammation, or any kind of irritation on the skin. Even on the Wow packaging, there was something mentioned about witch hazel benefits. Other ingredient is hyaluronic acid in this. Hyaluronic acid, I'm sure almost every one of you must have heard this word, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is very good humectant. It's pretty good vitamin C serum, I would say. I have been using this vitamin C serum from past 3 months, and this is the 4th month, and I'm almost running out with the bottle. Let me show you the texture of serum. See, it's very water kind of texture. It's very lightweight on the skin. It gets completely absorbed in the skin within 30 to 40 seconds. So when I use it, I use 2 drops of it because 1 pump is not enough all over my face and neck. So I use 2 pumps. See, it got quickly absorbed into the skin. It's a very good vitamin C serum. I would not suggest this vitamin C serum for any beginners. If who has already used vitamin C serum and looking to switch for a new one, they can go for this. Next vitamin C serum that I'm going to show you, it's not from very known brand. It's from Spantra Cosmetic vitamin C serum. Now this vitamin C serum, I was using this vitamin C serum previous to Wow Skin Science vitamin C serum, and there was little left in the container and I didn't want to throw it. So it was just kept it inside, and I was more keen to use the new one. So I went ahead and started using the Wow vitamin C serum. So and then it was just there inside the closet. I picked this vitamin C serum from the drugstore as well, but I made sure that I went through all the ingredient list. The good thing about this serum is that it has very little ingredient in it. The first ingredient is glycerin, and the third ingredient is ethyl ascorbic acid, which is another form of vitamin C, as I said in my previous video. And it has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Vitamin E is very good antioxidant and hyaluronic acid is very good humectant. So that's the reason why I went ahead and picked it up. I'm almost running out with this bottle as well. There is very little left. Still, let me try to show you the texture of the serum. I cannot take it out with the dropper. I'll show you this way. It's little whitish kind of texture, and it gets quickly absorbed into the skin. It has very strong fragrance. If anybody is allergic to fragrance, I would suggest avoid this, but it is pretty good vitamin C serum. These are the 2 vitamin C serum that I have used, and the bottle was there with me, so that's the reason why I was able to include. And the purpose of showing you my own vitamin C serum is to give you a fair idea how to pick up your vitamin C serum. Whenever you're buying your serum, make sure to read the active ingredients so that you know what form of vitamin C is formulated in it and what other actives are there as well. So this will give you a fair idea what kind of serum that you are buying and what other benefits you are going to get. Even if you don't know, if you're not familiar with a certain kind of active in the serum, make sure to just do your little research, which will give you extra knowledge and extra benefit to your skin. Let me tell you one more thing, this video is not sponsored at all. This is it for today. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my video. Please do comment below if you have any suggestion for me. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. See you in my next video. Bye bye.